ducks getting their afternoon leg stretching in. So are the chickens, some of them. But we have one thing that's caught our attention. This guinea here has a necklace on. I don't know how it got there or who put it on her, but she has a necklace on. It's loose on, but it's on there. And can't none of us touch that animal. It's got speed and power for days. But somehow it's got a necklace. It happened today. Anybody got an idea at how a bird get a necklace on? They just do this? I've never had guineas before. Is this a thing guineas do? Wear necklaces? I gotta clean all this up. It was found in the moving this dirt pile out of the way.